Hi, in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to conduct the bivariate correlation analysis in SPSS. Now, once your data is set up in this way, it pretty much just requires just 2 steps. However, if you do not know how to enter data in SPSS, you can check a video up there and see how to do that. So once our data is set up and we have 2 variables that are numerical variables, not categorical data, but they are on a scale level or continuous variable, we are good to go. So all you need to do is really go to Analyze, go to Correlate, and you go to Bivariate. Right. Now, for this particular case, we are going to be conducting the Pearson correlation analysis. So what we are looking at is the strength of relationship between age and number of hospital visits. So we select age, and we also select number of hospital visits, and there we go. Now, it's a two-tailed test because it's going to tell us if there's a significance in terms of positive correlation or a negative correlation. And we're pretty much ready to go. We click OK, and we are good to go. And this is the SPSS output. Now, you will see that there's something interesting here. You have age against age, which is a correlation of 1. Of course, it's just taking the values of age and running it against age again, which is not what we're concerned about. So we're looking at age versus number of hospital visits. And there we can see is the correlation is a positive correlation because we are getting 0.977. And SPSS is telling us that the correlation is significant at the 0.01 level. This is a two-tailed test, like I said. So it's going to show us a significance whether there's a positive or a negative correlation. Now, if you have got value from this video, do like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.